It's snowing for the first time in Kyoto, I think. Unless I'm mistaken. It's the first one I've seen in 2025, I think, so yeah. It's nice to see snow in Kyoto. It's kind of rare, actually, to see snow. But yeah, it's a winter wonderland right now. Alright. It is actually snowing out here. Not sure if you can tell. Yeah, you can kind of tell. It is a winter wonderland. Beautiful. If you're lucky, you might be able to see this in Kyoto. It only happens a couple times a year, I think, so yeah. It's a snowy wonderland.